Update on the Peterbilt. Everybody wants to have an update. I got an update. It's a story and a half, but my old buddy Brian out of Lexington, Kentucky's got it. More updates. So the second part update, we moved the truck today from the original guy that was going to build it down to Jenkins, Kentucky, to K2 Diesel Repair. I got a hold of Lucas, and Lucas is going to take care of me in the truck down there. I called my buddy up at Harney's Towing, Mr. Brian Harney himself, and me and Brian, he let me ride with him and hang out with him today, and we got the truck down there to Lucas today. The long story of why it went down there really ain't nobody's damn business, and I ain't gonna say too much about it. The short story is the guy who's gonna build it come down with some health issues that was gonna have to make him step away from building trucks and for a little bit. So to ease some stress off of him and to get the truck back a little sooner, since it's OKW, you just never know. I decided to take the truck somewhere else. I told the gentleman, I said, hey, your health is number one priority. To hell with a bunch of trucks, man. There's always going to be trucks sitting around broke down. So that guy's health is number one. Me and him still great friends. No, we didn't have no big falling out and all that yet, so nobody needs to start rumors or guess what happened and all that, okay? Man come down with some health issues, and to ease some stress off his plate, we both kind of agreed that we're going to take the truck down to Lucas and let Lucas take care of it. So for the folks that knows where the truck was, we don't need your comments. We don't need nobody input, all right? So we're going to keep it at that. And that's the short version of the story, and that's the honest truth of what happened. So so now we're moving forward. Mr. Lucas himself, good guy, had a good conversation. I think the truck's going to sit down there about 11 days, and he's going to get it in the shop on the following Monday, not this coming Monday, the following Monday. And I'm assuming like a week, 2 weeks to build it. I'm assuming, I don't know. We didn't really talk about that, but don't really care. You know, it is what it is. So it'll be back better than it was, and we'll be back to work in old red for long before you know it. So that's the update story for today. I didn't really want to make this video. This is actually my third take at making it because I didn't know what to say, but that's the problem when you kind of get known and stuff. You get too many